Well, my dear, so let's go for the next physical quantity. The next physical quantity, the number 9, is power, right? And what is the formula for power? Sir, power is work divided by time. That is rate of doing work. Right now we are not interested in dimension, we are interested in formula. It is work upon time. So again, let's go. In denominator it is time, so no issue. I will don't touch time because time is a fundamental quantity, but work is a derived quantity. I will write force into displacement, F into S. Now force is not the fundamental, it is derived quantity, but displacement can be written as length and time can be written as t. So here I will break the force as mass into acceleration into S upon time. I hope you understood that force is written as mass into acceleration and S as it is S divided by T. Why I have not converted S? Because S is already a fundamental. Displacement can be written as length and T is fundamental. So only force was derived quantity which I broken into mass and acceleration. Now my dear, in this step mass is fundamental, displacement which is written as length is the fundamental and time is fundamental, acceleration is not fundamental. So I will write this m, that is mass, acceleration is L by T square into displacement as L, right? This is displacement denoted by L. So displacement is L and acceleration is L by T square whole divided by, here it is T, so that T I have written here. Now I am writing in capital letters. So this will be M. L and L multiply become L square. And this T square and T get multiply become T cube. T cube. I hope you understood the broken steps. एक बार फिर देख लो. Work upon time is power. Work can be written as force into displacement upon time. Force को मैंने break किया because force is a derived quantity. In mass into acceleration, S को ऐसे ही लिखा, displacement S upon T because displacement is fundamental which is written as length. In this step, mass is fundamental, S is fundamental, that is length, and time is fundamental. Only acceleration is not fundamental. I broke the acceleration as length upon time square. Earlier video also I show you कि पहले acceleration is velocity upon time, velocity is length upon time. So overall answer for acceleration become length upon time square. So now what will be the final answer? Mass के जगह m, acceleration के जगह L by T square, displacement के जगह length whole divided by time. So now when I solve this will be mass, length and length multiply become length square and T square and this T get multiply become T cube. So now what will be the dimension of power? So here I have written dimension of power with the box and the closing box bracket. Dimension of power. How I read this? Dimension of power. I have not denoted with any symbol because P is pressure also and P is momentum also. So power I am writing POWER, entire power is equal to what dimension I am getting? Look at it. L ka power 2, M ka power mein 1, you can see, and T ka power minus 3. You can see here. L power 2, M power 1, T power minus 3. That become the dimension of power. What will be unit? Derived unit. Derived unit of power. You can see here mass power 1, so it will be written as kilogram. L power 2 written as meter square and T power minus 3 written as S power minus 3, or I can write kilogram meter square per, because this is per S cube, or what is the next unit? This is number 1. Number 2 unit is watt, capital W. Number 3 unit is, my dear, look at the definition, it is work upon time. So work ka unit is joule, capital J, upon time per second, joule per second. Joule per second, you can write that unit also, watt also, kilogram meter square second power minus 3 also. These are the unit. Or you can say 1 watt is nothing but kilogram meter square second power minus 3. So you can see the 3 units my dear. तो वॉट का दूसरा नाम सर, वॉट को हम लोग किलोग्राम, वापस से सुन लो, वॉट को मैं और कौन से मेथड में लिख सकता हूं सर? वॉट कैन बी रिटन एज किलोग्राम मीटर स्क्वायर सेकेंड पावर -3, क्योंकि वॉट के जगह ये भी आ सकता है. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. टेक केयर इन MCQ, fill in the blanks. Now similarly my dear, the 10th one is pressure. Pressure, say it is denoted by capital P and the formula is force upon area. Now force is derived quantity, even area is derived quantity. So I will bring it into fundamental. Force can be written as mass into acceleration and area can be written as L power 2. Length ka square is area. So now mass and length square is the fundamental. Acceleration is not fundamental. I will break it again. This is mass and acceleration can be written as L by T square upon L square. Acceleration का L by T square upon L square. So this can be written as mass into length upon, this is L square and this T square also get multiplied to this. This is T square. Now what happened? This length and this length cancel to each other. So still one length will be left out. This is M upon L, एक L बचा हुआ है, T square. M upon L T square. So here my dear, now what is the dimension of pressure? The dimension of pressure, dimension box bracket, closing box bracket, how will read? Dimension of pressure is equal to L. L is in denominator, it will go up, become -1 because here it is 1 and here it is 1. So L power -1, M power 1 and T power -2. I hope it is clear my dear. This is the dimension of pressure in front of you. So now what is the derived unit of pressure? Derived unit of pressure. है ना? So how will write derived unit? पहला derived unit. Sir, here M power 1. So kilogram, right? Kilogram. L power -1. So this is meter power -1 and ST power -2, S power -2. Or this can be written as kilogram per, because meter power -1, so per meter, and this per is for this also into S square. किलोग्राम पर मीटर, है ना? ये मीटर पावर -1 है तो पर आ गया, मीटर डिनोमिनेटर में चलेगा, S2 भी डिनोमिनेटर में चलेगा. इसको तुम रिवर्स करके लिखोगे तो यही आंसर आएगा. किलोग्राम के पावर में 1, मीटर यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर में 1 है तो ऊपर गया तो -1, S के पावर में 2 है डिनोमिनेटर में, ऊपर गया तो -2. और सेकेंड यूनिट माय डियर, सेकेंड यूनिट पास्कल. पास्कल प्रेशर का यूनिट है, पास्कल, PASCAL, all letter small because it is a name of scientist. Symbol is capital P small a, Pascal. That is symbol. And third unit my dear, you can see the formula. Force upon area, force upon area. So force can be Newton upon area is meter square. So Newton per meter square. So ऐसे भी हम एग्जाम में पूछ सकते हैं, that is 1 Newton per meter square or 1 Pascal. 1 Pascal. 1 Newton per meter square or 1 Newton per meter square or 1 Pascal is equal to 1 kg, है ना? ये सबके आगे मैंने 1 लगा दिया तो 1 kg 1 meter power, or you can write directly this as kg meter power -1 S power -2, or you can write this as kg per meter per second square. kg पर मीटर सेकेंड स्क्वायर, बिकॉज आप देख सकते हो कि ये यूनिट को ही पास्कल बोलते हैं, इसी यूनिट को न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर भी बोलते हैं. टेक केयर फॉर MCQs. ऐसे क्वेश्चन MCQs में आ सकते हैं. सिमिलरली हियर आल्सो माय डियर, आई कैन आस्क यू द क्वेश्चन फॉर MCQs में पूछ सकते हैं, हाउ मच इज 1 watt इज इक्वल टू. 1 watt is equal to my dear किलोग्राम मीटर स्क्वायर सेकेंड पावर -3. 1 watt और 1 जूल पर सेकेंड. 1 watt या 1 जूल पर सेकेंड 1 वॉट या 1 जूल पर सेकेंड किसके बराबर है सर? इसका आंसर किलोग्राम मीटर स्क्वायर सेकेंड पावर -3, और आई कैन राइट दिस एज किलोग्राम मीटर स्क्वायर पर सेकेंड क्यूब, ये भी लिख सकते हैं. सो ये एमसीक्यूज में आ सकता है कि 1 वॉट कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड एज 1 वॉट को और दूसरे वे में क्या बोल सकते हैं? बिकॉज सर दिस इज ऑल्सो द यूनिट, दिस इज ऑल्सो द यूनिट एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो द यूनिट फॉर वन फिजिकल क्वांटिटी दैट इज पावर. तो ऐसे हम एमसीक्यू डालेंगे कि 1 वॉट को हम और क्या एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं, 1 वॉट को हम और कैसे लिख सकते हैं. सो 1 वॉट हो गए सर, 1 वॉट इज नथिंग बट केजी मीटर स्क्वायर सेकेंड पावर -3 भी लिख सकते हैं, या उसी को 1 जूल पर सेकेंड भी बोलते हैं. सो 1 जूल पर सेकेंड कैन बी रिटन एज केजी मीटर स्क्वायर सेकेंड पावर -3. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे 1 न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर और 1 पास्कल कैन बी रिटन एज केजी मीटर पावर -1 सेकेंड पावर -2. टेक केयर. So this is, my dear, the top 10 dimensions. Now with the help of this top 10 dimensions, I will show you the dimensions of various physical quantity. My dear, in your NCERT book, on the page number 214, I repeat, on the page number 214 to page number 214, I repeat, I write down here, NCERT book, page number 214 to 218. There are, my dear, 94 dimensions. 94 dimensions are given. Dimensions of physical quantity are given. Please refer. Out of this 94 I am doing, because 94 में से I hope I have done 10 dimensions. I am doing some more also. But my dear, in the exam, please do these physical quantities dimensions very well. And therefore I have suggested go through this page 214 to 218. There are 94 physical quantities dimensions are provided. You see that. And if you don't know, then let me ask with the email or with the WhatsApp, sir, how this dimension for this physical quantity is given this answer in the book. So I will tell you about it. But now I am solving some more physical quantity ka dimensions. My dear, I am doing all those physical quantity dimensions with you right now, which are there in your syllabus till 15 chapter of your physics textbook. आपके 15 chapters में जितने physical quantity आ रहे हैं, I'll try my level best to do the physical and collect the physical quantity from those chapters and deriving their dimensions. Because, my dear, as the exams में जो the chapters will keep coming, we will definitely one question in that chapter, the physical quantity which belongs, we will ask the dimensions for that physical quantity from chapter wise. So as soon as your exams will be conducted, my dear, definitely every chapter has the physical quantity. Am I clear? And definitely the physical quantity, if there exists, we will definitely ask you the dimensions of that particular physical quantity with the exam point of view. So please take care. This is such a very important topic. So right now I have given you these dimensions. I have explained all 10 dimensions through my all videos. Now, my dear, it's my request that I will show you some more physical quantity ka dimensions, and then I will tell you what are the uses of dimensions. Okay? So please write it down by making your video pause, and then I will go for some more physical quantities dimensions.